that's the meat here. And I have my salad here. So I'm gonna cut them really fine, wash them. I already cleaned them. For some reason, I like doing that on almost anything I cook since I have it in the back and I know how valuable it is. And if you don't have a more battery and you live in Florida, especially Palm Beach County, let me know. Maybe I can about 2 hours or an hour and a half. I got home late, so it's kind of late. So what should do? Pepper, oil, Maggi, and you just wait for it. I'll get a picture when it's ready.